So on this video, I'm going to show you a new unlimited crypto arbitrage platform where you can actually perform arbitrage transaction by buying it from one exchange at a lower price. Then you send it to the other exchange and sell at a higher price. And also, I'm going to give you my honest review and tell you if you have to use this platform or not. So on that note, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. So with that being said, let's move. This platform we are talking about is known as Arbitrades, and this platform acts as a middleman between these two exchanges. And you can see that you can buy Bitcoin at this exchange, Bitcoin, at 18,923. Then you send it to Yobit and sell at $90,076, and the price difference is your profit. Now when you scroll down, you'll be able to see that this platform is also working with other exchanges, and the platform has an easy to use interface. So basically, since this is an automated pattern of arbitrage, so all you just need to do is to deposit. Then after depositing, you just have to come to this section. Then you just got to choose between the two exchanges, then click on start. Then after that, you withdraw your capital and your profit. But before then, remember this platform is a new platform, so make sure you watch to the very end to hear what I want to tell you about this platform. So for you to get started on this unlimited arbitrage platform, you just have to go to their website directly or use the link below to get started. And when you click on the link below, it will take you to this section where you just have to sign up with your email address and your phone number. And after inputting your username, you just have to click on this country code number, then select your country code. And when you sign up, you'll be able to see this success message, and it will take you directly to your dashboard. And from your dashboard, you'll be able to see all the functions on this platform, and you can navigate through to understand how this platform works. You can also change the theme on this platform between dark mode and other colors. So with that, the first thing to do before you trade is to deposit. And for you to deposit, you can just click on this deposit icon on your dashboard, or you go through your wallet section to click on deposit. So when you click on this deposit icon, you'll be able to see that you can deposit only Bitcoin. But I just noticed that you can also deposit Dogecoin, then convert it to Bitcoin before trading. And I would suggest when you want to deposit, you deposit using Dogecoin. So with that, you just have to click on deposit. And when you click on deposit, you'll be able to see your Dogecoin wallet address. Then you just have to copy it, then send Dogecoin to this address. And when you send it, it's going to reflect on your balance. And after depositing, you are going to receive your Dogecoin on your Dogecoin balance. And the next thing to do is to convert it from Dogecoin to Bitcoin so that you'll be able to trade with it. So you just have to click on convert. But you can see that I already have money on my account, which is equivalent to $100. So the next thing to do after a successful deposit is to click on this middle icon, which is a trade icon. And on this section, you'll be able to see that you can trade between trading pairs. Now, before you click on start, you'll be able to see the two exchanges that is involved in the transaction. And sometimes when you give it time, it's going to change between other exchanges. But note that the net profit differ as the exchanges differ. And remember that for you to trade one BTC, you are going to get a net profit of 176 USDT as profit. So that means if you are using any amount less than one BTC, you are going to get fraction of this 176 USDT as profit. And when you come to your dashboard and click on this limit icon, you'll be able to see that each transaction has an average time of 4 hours. That means for one transaction, it's going to take 4 hours for it to be completed. And after that 4 hours, the profit is going to reflect on your main balance. Now remember, I'm not the owner of this platform, so make sure that you do further research before investing on anything crypto, because I'm not a financial advisor. So on that note, after you trade and you have made profit and you decide to withdraw your funds, all you just need to do is to come to your home section, which is your wallet section. Then you click on withdraw, and when you click on withdraw, it will take you to this withdrawal section whereby you just have to paste your wallet address. And remember, it should be on the Bitcoin network because that is what is given there. So and give it a label. I'm just going to write Binance. Then click on save, and you'll be able to see that your wallet address is already saved on this platform. Now before I place a withdrawal, let me show you something. When you come to your home page and click on statistics, you'll be able to see all the recent transactions on this platform, and all these transactions are real because by the time you click on this icon, it will take you to the blockchain tracking system whereby you'll be able to see that they actually made deposits to this platform. And you can also see that even Nigerians are taking advantage of this platform now, and you can see that this one deposits 0.062 Bitcoin. And as I'm making this video, you can see that someone in Nigeria deposited 0.16 Bitcoin on this platform to take advantage of it now that is new. And above all, you'll be able to see the average price difference within the last 24 hours and their traded volume. So for you to trade, you just have to come to this section, and on this section you just have to click on start. And you'll be able to see that arbitrage request successfully performed, so you just got to click on OK. And when you come to your wallet section, you'll be able to see that your balance is now 0 and your processing balance is now the 0.053 Bitcoin, while your penny balance is now the profit, you understand. So with that, I'm just going to give you some time for the transaction to be complete, which is in the next 4 hours. And while using this platform, if you want to reach out to the people behind this platform and the support team, you just have to click on this social media account, and on this section you'll be able to see their Instagram link, their Telegram link, and also their Twitter link, and as well their Facebook link. So you just got to click on any of them to reach out to them. Now you can see that I have a recent trade and my balance is 0. So I just want this video to be very short. I don't want to waste time. So I'm going to deposit like extra $30 or $50 to this platform again to show you how to withdraw. So for you to deposit, you just have to click on this deposit icon as I already told you, and on your deposit section you can deposit either Bitcoin or Doge. So I'm going to deposit Doge to convert it. So I just got to go to my wallet section, then click on deposit on the Doge icon. Then I'm just going to copy the address, then go to my Binance and send Doge, then convert it. So after waiting for a few minutes, you can see that the deposit was successful, despite the fact that I still have a recent arbitrage trade that is open. So from your dashboard, you just have to click on withdraw, or you go through your wallet section and click on withdraw. And on this section, you just have to click on this Binance wallet address that you saved the other time. So when you click on it, you'll be able to see that you just have to input the amount at which you want to withdraw. As for me, I'm just going to withdraw everything that I deposited, which is 0.016, you understand. So I just got to click on send, then wait for it to load up, and you can see that it is successful. And with that, you can see that it is pending, and I'm not going to get 0.0016, I'm going to get 0.0159, which means they remove 1.5% as withdrawal charges. So with that, I'm just going to wait for a few minutes for it to be successful. And remember that I still have my $100 that I used to trade, so in the next 4 hours I'm going to withdraw that one as well, including my profits. So what I want to tell you about this platform is that make sure that you start by investing money that you can afford to lose. But despite the fact that we know that this platform is new, we know that from our previous experience, platforms like this for arbitrage tend to be active for a while, like for a few weeks and also for some months before having some issues. So people that take advantage of it at this early stage are the one benefiting from it. And if you know that you are the kind of person that cannot take risk, I would not recommend this kind of platform for you. But you can also join my Telegram community to stay updated, so that anytime I have an issue on this platform, I'll just notify you guys once. So with that, I'm just going to go to my Binance account to confirm if the withdrawal from this platform is successful. So just as you can see, after waiting for a few minutes, up to 20 minutes, I got the deposit directly on my Binance account successful. And when I click the withdrawal history, you'll be able to see that the withdrawal is successful 27 minutes ago. So that is just basically how to use this platform to perform arbitrage transaction. And by the time you click on these references, you'll be able to see that when you invite your friend to this platform, you are going to get 5% commission from their own earnings. So you just have to make sure that you use the link below to get started if you are to use this platform. So with that, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this platform, and tell me your thoughts if you are to use this platform or not. And as usual, make sure you give this video a like, and as you already know, I'm DMO. So thank you for watching, and see you on my next video.